A big shout out to everyone. This is Vittal Mane, and I'm the founder of Digital Lifestyle Entrepreneurship Hub. I'm recording this video with a very specific purpose, and that is I'm coming online with my first online webinar on 30th June at 7 p.m. UA time or 8:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Now this is the day which I was waiting for a long time, and I've been working on this for last over 2 months very hard, creating this curriculum for this online hub, online portal which I had planned earlier to release on 30th June, but because of this current situations it is getting a little delayed, so I'm rescheduling it to launch it on 14th July 2020. But sticking to my schedule, I plan to continue with my first live webinar which was planned 30th June, and I'm going to do this. And I'm coming up with a detailed discussion where I want you to come up with pen and paper and ask me your doubts, ask me your questions about my online digital lifestyle entrepreneurship hub or academy. And I'm very much excited to interact with you all and understand what is your challenge and what thoughts going on in your mind, so that we can work together and make this as a successful venture. And this webinar or this curriculum is for speakers, coaches, trainers, teachers or experts. And even if you are that employee who has got lots of idea in your thoughts which you want to convert them into business model using the online digital platform, then this webinar is for you. Even if you are a fresh graduate, started your career in a corporate and you want to learn digitization, I really recommend you to attend this webinar and be part of this community. I have been working on this curriculum for last few years, and I was looking for that solution where I can learn and integrate all what I learned in NLP, that is neuro linguistic programming, life coaching, psychometric testing, and all my personal development courses. And trust me, what I have created is one of the unique curriculum which is nowhere in this world. And this is something unique which I have created out of my own experience and which I have implemented personally in my life. So this is not something which I have just attended some training or just listened to someone and converted into a business or converted into academy just to teach you. This is something which I have walked the path. And I'm so serious about this academy that I want those successful stories to come out in 90 days. Because I'm going to set up a 90-day challenge where I will be taking you through the 7-step process by which you can actually convert that raw, fresh idea in your mind into a successful business model, and which can eventually replace or surplus your income source, whatever you are right now into. So that's what I'm coming up, and I've been working on this for last 2 months, and trust me, I've slept maximum for 4 to 5 hours in these 2 months. And I'm still working on it, and I'll be working on it to meet that 14th July date, so that I'll be out with my curriculum completely to serve you, to create those successful stories coming up in next 90 days. While working on this, I've already launched my podcast channel on 18th June, which is already there in the market. You can go, if you are using Android phone, you can go to Spotify. If you are using Apple phone, you can go to Apple iTunes and search for Vittal Mane or Life Engineering Principles. This is the podcast name, and just follow that, like it or subscribe it, and then in future whenever I'm releasing my weekly podcast, you will able to listen to them. And this podcast has a specific purpose to work on your subconscious mind, to work on your second thought which always pops in and stops you taking action on your dreams or on your path which you really want to go ahead and do something of your own. So I really recommend that follow this podcast channel and listen to my all forthcoming episodes, so that I can really work with you to create that bulletproof emotional intelligence in you. And this is very, very important when you want to move forward as an entrepreneur, as a leader in the society. And you really need that strong mindset. As well as I'm writing a book. So trust me, these all days I've been really hardworking. And this book is basically a co-authored book where I'm sharing one of my story along with 20 plus coaches, and we have worked together to create this book with beautiful stories, beautiful inspiring stories, which you can learn and understand from them and implement some of those principles in your life as well. So this book is planned to launch in July again. So this is also coming up. And third thing is this academy. So 7 principles what I'm talking about, just to brief or just to give an idea about it, is first is basically again setting up that bulletproof emotional intelligence, the mindset, which is very much essential. That's the first step in the curriculum again. Second step will be finding out that niche, going deep down and understanding, because there is a lot of confusion between what is passion, what is purpose, and what can be a profession. So while going through second step, you will able to understand that what is that niche which you can really work out as a business model. So this is the second step. On the third step, I'll be working out to write down your goals, to set those goals around that niche so that you can really focus and make sure that you achieve them. So this is the third step. On the fourth step, I'll take you through step by step with the tools, techniques and guidance what is required to create that online portal, following the steps and technique which I have actually implemented while creating my online hub. And that's what in the fourth step. On the fifth step, we'll work on launching your portal, launching your academy, launching your institute. And before launching, it comes to creating your presence in the market for that particular product and service. So we'll be working on that as well. And then sixth step will be scaling up or generating those leads and working on creating and financial support which can actually surplus or matches with your current income source. Now seventh step is basically working to develop or nurture your community, and that's what is the seventh step. So this is a brief about seventh step what I will be working with you in this particular curriculum, and I'm really looking forward to launch this on 14th July. So prior to that, 30th June is what the first live webinar I'm doing it, and I really welcome you. If you're watching this video, then trust me, there is a reason behind it and there's a master plan why you're on this video. And I want you to follow the link which is there with this video, and just follow the link, register your interest, and then I'll share the link for the webinar for where you can get inside the webinar and attend this webinar. And I want you to come with pen and paper. You can ask me questions, I will answer those questions, and I'm really excited to listen from you what is all that which is going on in your mind. Last 14 days actually I've been running a survey where I've asked people that can you answer my one question, and for that answer I'm actually giving access to the basic course to my curriculum. So I got tremendous response and I have a lot of questions to answers as well. So I'm planning to come frequently online on the Facebook and social media so that actually I can answer those questions and I can add some value to you. So if you are ready and if you are really focused, seriously looking forward for creating that business model out of your idea, then this is the curriculum which you must follow. I am on the mission to help 1 million digital entrepreneurs in the society who can come forward and create that legacy of the leadership and live a life of significance. So if you want to be part of this mission and if you really want to live that life of significance, then be part of this community. And the first step to become part of this community is attending this webinar. And I'm looking forward to see you all in this webinar. Just follow the link which I have given in this along with this video and register yourself for the webinar. And I'm looking forward to see you in the webinar. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the webinar. Bye.